Okay guys, good morning. This is TJ Villanueva and today ang topic natin is about follow-up. Paano ba magfa-follow up kapag ka nakausap mo na yung invite mo? Okay, so very important na magkaroon tayo ng concept na it's about helping them. Sabi ni John Maxwell, people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. Okay, so we're just here to help them. Yun yung kailangan natin maintindihan when it comes to follow-up. We are not here to convince them. We are not here to sell to them. We are here to help them. Okay, so napaka-importante na every time we do follow-up, nandun pa rin yung care. Nandun yung talagang sincere. No? Gusto mong tulungan yung taong ini-invite mo. So every time na ifa-follow up mo sila, ganito mo sila ifa-follow up. Bro, kamusta na? Halimbawa, yung friend mo in-invite mo, bro, kamusta na? Ano pa bang maitutulong ko sa'yo? Bro, balik ka ng office mamaya or tomorrow para matulungan kita. Bro, may sasali sa akin ngayong week. Maganda maunahan mo na yun para ilalagay ko yun under mo para matulungan kita. So, in any way, kung paano mo siya ifa-follow up, basta kailangan nakasingit po dun yung you want to help them. Okay? So, napaka-importanting key point when it comes to follow up. Okay? And isa pang point na kailangan nating maintindihan when it comes to follow-up. Kahit wala pang pera, yung kausap mo, pabalikin mo lang ng pabalikin ng office. Bakit importante yun? Kasi kapag ang isang tao bumabalik, mas lalo niyang naiintindihan yung negosyo. To the point na kahit hindi mo na siya kausapin, siya mismo ang magkukonvince sa sarili niya na maganda yung negosyong inaalok mo. So kahit wala pang pera, pabalikin mo lang ng pabalikin for training. Okay? So, that's it for now. So, I hope marami kayo natutunan. And yun lang, no, yung wish ko sa inyo. Let's become the best that we can be. Maraming salamat. Thank you.